So hi guys, today we saw the problem solving. The problem solving topic is array search. So first read and understand the question. So given an array of n integers and an integer element x, find whether element x is present in the array, return the index of the first occurrence of x in the array or -1 if it doesn't exist. We have given one array and one integer. The integer x present in the array and return the index value. So if it doesn't present in the array, so return -1. This is the question. First question, clearly understand and how to solve the problem. And first think of the logic. So I find the one logic. The logic is the array, the first traverse the array and each is a single element. If x present in the array, the return index value. If it isn't present in the array, and return -1. And now code the for loop. Int I equal to 0 and I greater than array dot length I plus plus, a single for loop, and the x present in the array or not. If array of I and x, so the x present in the array and return the index value. The index value is I. So if it's not present in the array and return -1. And I think complete the program. So we compile and run. So compile and run completed and then submit. So the all test cases are passed. So thank you for watching my videos and bye.